Good morning students, welcome to my geography class. I welcome all of you to my geography class, and in today's class we are going to discuss totally a new topic, that is weather. Weather and climate. The chapter you can say that is weather and climate, but for today's video we will be studying about weather, the meaning of weather, the features related to weather, and what is basically different types of weather condition which we experience. Many of us are confused in weather and climate. What is the difference between two? How to recognize and how to predict whether it is a weather or whether it is a climate. So in the upcoming videos we will be discussing about that is what is climate and what is the difference between these two, that is between weather and between climate. But for today we are going to discuss weather in detail, the topic in detail. So weather, let's begin the topic with a picture. Through a picture I will be discussing that, and in that picture I will be telling you about the definition and the meaning of weather. So let's begin our today's class. I feel all of you are ready to listen this interesting topic. So let's begin. It is said that not all the days are same. The days which we experience, the conditions, the atmospheric conditions which we experience, that all the weather conditions are not same. If sometimes it may be very hot, sometimes it may be very cold, sometimes we may experience a bright sunny day, and sometimes we may experience a rainy day. Sometimes it can be a stormy day, sometimes it can be a windy day. So this is what weather is. Weather is sometimes very sunny, a very hot sunny day, sometimes it is very hot, sometimes it is very cold, extreme cold. Sometimes the temperature is moderate, neither very cold nor very hot. Sometimes we may experience a rainy day with a little bit of wind, and sometimes we may have a stormy day, a strong wind, and then so on. And sometimes we may have a humid climate, and it may result all of us to sweat throughout the day. See, right now I am sweating, I feel. So the temperature right now which we are experiencing, that is all humid temperature, and we are sweating throughout our day. So this is what weather is. That means weather keeps on changing. Mark my words, listen to it carefully. That is the important line related to weather, is that weather is dynamic. It will keep on changing. It is not constant for a period of time. That means it is not constant for a longer period of time, and it will keep on changing. That means this changing weather conditions, that means this changing atmospheric conditions from time to time. What changing conditions? Like sometimes it is sunny day, sometimes rainy day, sometimes windy day, sometimes a very humid climate, moderate climate, very cold, windy day. So these all things, stormy days. So these all things, the constant changing conditions tells us about the weather. That means weather is dynamic in nature. It will not prevail for a longer period of time. As on the screens you can see different weather condition. One side it is sunny day, sunny, and one side in the picture you can see it is raining. So it is what weather is. That means weather keeps on changing. The main point of weather, you can short in meaning, if you have to understand, if you have to by heart, if you have to keep in mind, which should be which you can easily learn and understand, that is weather keeps on changing. It will not prevail for a longer period of time. So if we have to define weather, we will be defining weather as weather is a condition. Weather is a condition, you can say. Weather is a atmospheric condition which is not constant, which keeps on changing at a particular place for a given period of time. So weather is, you can say, it is a atmospheric condition of a particular place, which for a given period of time. That means only for that period of time. For example, if I tell you that weather we have experienced during these days, for example, in the morning it may rain very heavily. it may rain very heavily, and then after a period of time, suppose after 2 hours or 3 hours, it may be a sunny day. Afternoon, at suppose at 11 a.m. or at 12 p.m. 1 p.m. you are having a sunny day. Morning it was what? It was raining very heavily. So this is what? Morning on the same day it was a rainy day, and afternoon it is what? A bright sunny day. So this is what weather is, what I am trying to say, what I am trying to explain you all, that weather keeps on changing. What it was earlier, before 2 hours, before 1 hour, or before half an hour, it may not be that, and it will keep on changing. So this is what the nature, the feature of weather, that is, it is dynamic in nature. For for example, if we have to talk about Mumbai, in Mumbai there are two regions. In the North Mumbai we have Colaba name place, one place is there, the name of that place is Colaba, and another place in the north of Mumbai, it is Juhu. Basically Colaba you won't have heard, but Juhu in films and all you may be listening that. So Juhu place and Colaba both are situated in Mumbai, but on the same day Colaba may have a very heavy rainfall and Juhu may experience a bright sunny day at the same time on the same day. So this is what weather condition for a same place, but little bit here and there, means same state but the places are different, and on the same day it may have different temperature also, and then your weather conditions also. So weather condition for a given place, when we talk about weather, we talk only about a given place and for that particular period of time. As the definition we have discussed right now, atmospheric condition of a place for a given period of time. So this is what weather is. So what I wanted to explain. And one more point, that weather condition, all the changes of weather condition changes takes place in which layer? If I ask you this question, we have already discussed in our topic layers of atmosphere when I was explaining you that topic. In that we have discussed about troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. All the layers we have discussed in detail. So in that video, in those videos I have already explained that weather condition, changes in weather condition, all these weather conditions which are changing, it takes place in this layer. In which layer? In troposphere, which is closest layer to our mother, to our planet Earth. So weather condition, changing weather conditions takes place in which layer? In troposphere. Always remember that. So this is what weather is. So weather will keep on changing. Weather is not constant, it is not static, it is dynamic in nature. So weather basically depends on different elements, like you can say temperature, humidity of a place, rainfall at a place, then your height of that place, that means at which elevation of that place. So these all elements affect the weather condition of a certain place. So in the next picture we will be seeing different weather conditions, and through that picture, through those pictures, the weather conditions which I will be showing you now, through those pictures it will be very clear what different weathers we experience in our during our day to day, different days we experience different weather conditions, and on the same day also we experience different weather conditions within different hours. So we will be seeing that in the next picture. So let's see that and understand weather more clearly. So as you can see on your screen is weather vocabulary. So weather vocabulary, we are having different types of weather condition for a given period of time at a given place. So the first weather condition is your sunny day. Your sunny day, it is a hot sunny day, it can be, or sunny day. Then the next is your rainy season. We experience rainy day, we experience rainy weather conditions. Then rainbow, that means rainbow, basically we say rainbow is caused by the sunlight and atmospheric condition of a given place. It is caused mainly due to, you can say, reflection, refraction and dispersion of light. Where? Dispersion of light where? In the water droplets. And usually we see after a bit of rainfall, and then if sunshine appears, then there you can see a rainbow. Now next is your cloudy weather condition. Sometimes there may be cloudy day, and then sunshine also may be there with that, and then a windy day, strong winds may blow. And cyclone, what it is? Cyclone is a large scale air mass. What it is? A large scale air mass that rotates, that will keep on rotating. And where this will rotate? It will rotate around the center of low atmospheric pressure. So it will rotate around the low atmospheric pressure, and it is large scale air mass. Then the next is your puddle. What is puddle? Puddle is basically rainwater when it gets filled after the rainfall in the small pools, in the small depressions. That is puddle. Now then a snowy day during winter seasons, and at a place you can see where there are extreme clouds, you may see snowfall, then snowy weather conditions. Thunder weather conditions, that is the thundering light. You may see thundering lights which we see. And then a stormy days, then cold weather condition and the hot weather condition. So this is what about the weather vocabulary just now we have discussed. That is different weather condition which is dynamic, which keep on changing. That is sunny, rainy and rainbow, cloudy, windy, cyclone, puddle, snowy, thunder, stormy, cold and hot. So that's all for today's class. I hope you have understood the topic weather very nicely and very clearly. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Do take very good care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.